Well, good morning, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here at T-Mike Vintage Outboards. Making another video today. Out here with my coffee, out here with my lake, getting ready to work on a carburetor for Scott from Michigan. Scott sent me his carburetor. And it's a 10 horsepower QD-23. On my live stream last week, I took it apart, cleaned it, rebuilt it, new carb kit, rebuilt it, and this morning we're going to take it and put it on my 10 horsepower test motor right here. See if it runs. If it does, we'll ship it back. Let's have some coffee this morning. Bon tasse de café. That's my cousin Neil from Kentucky. He gave me this coffee cup. He's my bourbon guy. He brings me bourbon every year. All right. Before we put it on there, let's see if it starts, see if it runs with my carburetor on it. Yeah, she runs. So now I'm going to take my carburetor off and slip Scott's on it. But I'm going to have me some coffee first. Alright, there's my carb off. Now I'll put Scott's carb on. Alright, I got the carb changed out. I'm going to pump the bulb up, choke it, get it started. Now remember, the settings on the high speed is 3/4 out and the low speed is 1.5 out. So if it starts, I'm going to tune it by turning those screws in until I get the right high speed and low speed. So wish me luck. Here we go. I'm telling you, it's adjusted good. Watch it start. So that carburetor is rebuilt. Runs good. I'm gonna keep twerking it a little bit, running for probably all day long, 4 or 5 times, make sure it's adjusted just right, but it's ready to go back to Scott. Scott, your carburetor is rebuilt and done. While having a cup of coffee in the morning. What a beautiful life. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Remember, here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one carburetor at a time. See y'all next video. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. Sitting out here on my walkway on my lake and editing the videos and posting them on YouTube with a good signal here. And just wanted to remind you, T-Mike's got a website now. That's right, got my own website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. It's right there, the first link in the description down below. Go ahead and check out my website. It's pretty cool. I got, I think one of the best parts of it is the mail-in repair service and the parts broker pages. You can click on those links and submit a form to me that gives me the horsepower, brand, model number, your email address, your phone number. Give me all the information so I can gather the parts you need, or you can ship me your parts for repair through my website. Just create a form, gives me all the information. I can provide a quote to you right back, and then we can get her done. So T-Mike is upgraded with a website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I did. So just remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.